Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.3 question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral MORE, MO 6 cm, OR 4.5 cm, angle M 60 degree, angle O 105 degree, angle R 105 degree. First of all, we will do a rough sketch of quadrilateral. You see, this is MORE. MO is 6 centimeter, OR is 4.5 centimeter, right? Angle M is 60 degree, angle O is 105 degree, and angle R is 105 degree. With the help of this rough sketch, we will draw this quadrilateral. First of all, we draw this line, that is OR, right? Let us draw line OR 4.5. For that, take the ruler. For that, take the ruler. With the help of the ruler, draw a line 4.5 centimeter. Draw a line 4.5 centimeter. Here you see, we are drawing a line that is 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. Here you see, this is 4.5 centimeter. This is exactly 4.5. You see, this is 4.4, 4.5, exactly 4.5 centimeter. And name of this line is OR. Let us write, this is O and this point is R. Now at angle O, you have to make 105 degree, right? Take a compass, take a protractor. We'll take the protractor here. We're taking the protractor, and with the help of this protractor, we will make an angle of 105 degree at O. 105 degree at O. You see, we are taking 105 degree. This is 100. This is 100. This is 80, 90. This is 100. 100, 105, 10, 15, 20. That is 100, 105 degrees here. You see, 100. This is 90. This is 100. 105, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point is 105. Right? This point is 105. Now, with the help of the ruler, we'll make this angle of 105 degree. Right? With the help of the ruler, take the ruler and make 105 degree at O. Let us make 105 degree at O. Here we are making 105 degree at this point, right? Let us take it. Right? I'll make 105 degree at this point. Let us make 105 degree. You see that this angle is 105 degree at O. This is 105 degree at O. This angle is 105 degree. 105. 5 degree. Again make at angle R, that is 105 degree. At point R, make 105 degree. Let us take the protractor again and putting the protractor in the right place, proper place, will make 105 degree. 80, 90, 100, 105. This is 105 degree. You see, this is 105. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 105 degree. Right? Now with the help of the ruler, we make at R 105 degree. Now with the help of this ruler, we'll make 105 degree here. See, this one is 105 degree at the point R. Right? Now make 105 degree at point R. Right? Just try. Let us make 105 degree at the point R. See, this angle is 105 degree at point R. This angle is 105 degree at point R. This is 105 degree. 105 5 degree at the point R. Right? Now, with the help of this protector, make an arc of 6 centimeter O from O. Right? Let us take the protector now with the help of this ruler. Now with the help of this ruler and take the compass. Let us take the compass, right? With the help of this compass, make an arc of 6 centimeter. Make an arc of 6 centimeter from O. This is point 0. You take 6 centimeter OM, right? You have to cut 6 centimeter. That is, we are 3, 4, 5, 5, and 6. You see, this is exactly 6 centimeter. This arc is 6 centimeter. And putting this compass at this point, at the point O, we'll cut 6 centimeter here. Right? Here you see, we are putting this pointer at point O. We'll make an arc of 6 centimeter at this point. Right? We got this point. And the name of the point is M. Name of this point is M. Here you see, this is M point. This point is M. At the point M, you have to make an angle of 60 degree. Right? Make an angle of 60 degree. Right? And you have to make an angle. You have to make another OR is 4.5 centimeters. Right? Let us take another arc of 4.5 centimeter here. Let us take this pointer here. Let us make 4.5 centimeter. 4.5. Taking this pointer at 0 point. You see, it is 0. I have to make an angle arc of 4.5 centimeter. 4.5. That is 4.5. Here you see, this is 4, but 4 point, you have to take 4.5 centimeter. Right? This is exactly 4.5 centimeter. With this pointer, taking the pointer at point R, at point O. We have taken OR 4.5. This is 105. This is OM 105 degree. This is 105 degree, and you have to make an angle of 60 degree at point M. Right, at point M. Let us make an angle of 60 degree at point M. Right. Let us make 60 degree at point M with the help of protector. Right. With the help of protector. Right. Take a protector now. Now you are taking a protector here. This is our protector, and with the help of this protector, we'll make an angle of 60 degree at the point M, right? Make an angle of 60 degree at point M. So see, this is we have to make an angle of 60 degree here, right? This is 60 degree, this point 20, 40, 60, this is 60 degree, right? This point is 60 degree, right? Let us take 60 degree angle here. Let us take 60 degree, that is we are taking 60 degree at the point M, 60 degree at the point M, 60 degree. This is 60, this is 60 degree. We are taking this point at M, that is 60 degree, right? And with the help of the ruler, we make an angle here 60 degree, right? With the help of the ruler. Now, with the help of this ruler, make an angle of 60 degree here. Now, see, here we are making an angle of 60 degree with the help of ruler. Here, see, we are making 60 degree at this point M, right? Now, see, we are making 60 degree at this point. Right? Now see, this is the required angle, required quadrilateral MOR, and this point is Z. This point is Z. Right? Now you see, this is OR. OR is 4.5 centimeter. Right? Now you see, this is OR. Now you see, the required quadrilateral is, this is OR is 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5. 4.5 centimeter. OR is 4.5 centimeter, right? At point O, 105 degree. OM is 6 centimeter. OM is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. And angle M, it is 60 degree. Right? This is the required quadrilateral. Here you see again we are, and this is 6 centimeter. OR, here you see MO. MO is 6 centimeter. OR is 4.5 centimeter. Angle M 60 degree. Angle O 105 degree. Angle R 105 degree. This is the required quadrilateral. What you have, once again we are repeating. Here you see we make an length of OR, that is 4.5 centimeter. At angle, at point O we make an angle of 105 degree, and at angle R we make an angle of 105 degree, right? And with the O as center, make an arc of 6 centimeter here, we get the point M. And at point M, make an angle of 60 degree, right? At angle of 60 degree, and we get the required quadrilateral. Dear friends, if you like this video, please, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.